What is up, YouTube? It is your boy JayBee back at it again with another video. We are switching it up. I have been doing a lot of vlogs, but you know, this does relate to what my vlogs are, and then we are gonna be doing a Need for Speed Payback money glitch. This works very well. I think it's pretty simple to actually get it to work. Just takes a few tries, and it's I think anybody could do it, honestly. So first off, you are gonna want to unlock this race. I unlocked this race because I know people are gonna ask. I unlocked this race after chapter 5, and I did 2 of the regular race car races, and I think this was the second one to unlock. So if you're looking for the race before chapter 5, you're gonna have to get to that point to actually unlock it. Once you get that unlocked, go ahead and you can go to market and spawn at that gas station right here. Head that way. And if this glitch does help y'all, make sure to smash that like button, make sure to smash that subscribe button for me to get the post notifications on. Alright, so once you get here, you are going to want to jump on top of this ramp right here. It's pretty simple. So you're going to make a little right here. And you are going to have to complete the race first if you haven't completed it yet. You should complete it first before you start the glitch. And all you're going to do is just kind of turn to the right. Back right there. Back right. Alright, so now that I'm here, alright, so once you're in this spot and you need to adjust or anything, if this doesn't pop up, you could either reverse or go forward. Just make sure you try to stay on this right hand side. But once you get into this and you're able to see the start and change car, you are going to want to hold your gas, which since I'm playing PS4, is going to be R2, and change your car and hold R1 at the same time. But while you do that, turn into the area you're not supposed to be in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so there you go. Now you're gonna see this everywhere you go. So now you can just press R1, decline this. I heard you have to decline it. I haven't tried actually accepting it. Once it hits 1 and you're able to see that, press R1 again, and you can only do this 4 times. If you do it 5 times, you mess up the glitch. So this is my second time. I'm gonna decline it. Alright, third time. And you should only see 1 car at the end, and that means that will be your last one. So only 1 car here. So this is the last time. That is it. So now you're just gonna do the race like regular, and you are gonna be pretty much doing 4 races. So let's go and check my money before we start. So this you don't press R1 again. You just start. So I have $1,010,000. So let's see how much I have. So it'll do that, you know. Get a base, what is that, base shipment? Pretty dope. So now I have $1,082,000. It's not a lot of money, you know. It did it was $72,000. So it does help. It does level you up. I was like at probably level 24, now I'm at 25. So It does help. And if you just want to start it again, just press R1 again. If you don't want to do this glitch anymore, just hold R1 like if you're gonna switch cars, and it will turn off the glitch. But yeah, I hope y'all did enjoy. Make sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn post notifications on. I will be having more content up soon. I am trying to upload more frequently, so if y'all did enjoy this content, stay tuned for more. JayBee out.